Hey bro, you got ADHD? This isn't easy, am I right? Your sleep schedule is all over the place. You got zero focus on things you don't like. You can't listen to your family or friends when they're having serious conversations with you. I get it, I've been there too. Living with ADHD isn't easy at all. Staying consistent, focused, and motivated can feel like climbing a mountain every single day. Trust me, you're not alone. I've been there for over a decade of my life as well. But here are 10 habits that help me completely transform my life and work on my ADHD urges. Number 1 is exercise. Trust me, you can't beat this. The protective nature of exercise is just unparalleled. I'm talking about benefits for your whole being, your heart, your brain, your lungs, your joints, your mental health, and even so much more. Seriously, exercise is like a superpower. Most days I feel like my ADHD is trying to fight me, keeps me restless, keeps my brain all scattered. But after that workout, I feel so much more grounded, and I can tackle the rest of the day focused. Along with exercise, number 2 is deep work sessions. So what I mean by deep work sessions is I block 3 to 8 hours in my day every single day just to take care of my work. Sometimes this is about studying, sometimes this is just about getting tasks done that are important but I just don't want to do them. For me, just blocking this time out in the day helps me take care of everything. And what I do is I follow the Pomodoro technique here. So 50 minutes I do hard work and then 10-minute breaks. This is a perfect level for my ADHD. You can adjust this technique to the way it works for you. The best part about these sessions is I don't have my phone, so there's no distractions. So this creates structure for me daily, and I get so much done in these deep work sessions. Number 3 is meditation. Meditation has been a game changer for me. It literally keeps me more present, makes me more intentional with all my choices, and even prevents burnout for me when I'm doing too much in a day. Honestly, it saved me from being overwhelmed multiple times just today. You don't have to do meditation for hours or even more than 10 minutes. I do breath work for about 10 minutes, and that's been a game changer for me. Number 4 is gratitude journaling. And this actually helps me recognize how much I already have. And it just gives me that positive energy to just kill the rest of the day and be productive. So while I'm doing this, I end up actually journaling as well. Journaling about what negative thoughts I had yesterday or even today, or just about anything I want to journal about. And it just helps me clear my mind. Sometimes my ADHD brain can actually fixate on things and not let it go. So when I journal about it, it just helps me put it on paper and just get rid of it. So this is great for mental clarity and also positivity. Alright, number 5 is a consistent sleep schedule. I get it. With ADHD, some nights you're up till 2 in the morning, some nights you're even up till 6 in the morning, and your sleep schedule is just chaotic. So what I ended up doing here was just waking up every single day at the same time, no matter what. Even if I'm running on 2 hours of sleep, I'm getting up tomorrow at 7:30. And this is gonna happen every single day. This is the best thing you can do for your ADHD brain in terms of structure for your sleep schedule. So remember, get up the same time every single day, no matter what. Unless you're doing nights at work, then it's fine. Number 6 is limiting my phone time. Some days I'll just be on my phone, TikTok or Instagram, and scrolling on reels for even an hour. And I feel like it's so unproductive. My energy feels so much lower just because I'm getting that constant hit of dopamine. And then the way I started limiting my phone time is doing these deep work sessions. Because when I'm doing my deep work session, I'm actually recording it for my YouTube live sessions. And the phone's away from me, so I won't be scrolling during that time anyways. So basically you can do something that works for you. Just limit your phone time because it's a big distraction. Number 7 is actually a little bit weird. What I do is intermittent fasting. So basically with intermittent fasting, I do an 8-hour eating window and a 16-hour fasting window. And during that fasting window, I notice that my brain fog is all gone. I feel so much more clear in my mind, and I just don't feel lazy. So this is why I do intermittent fasting. And also there are a lot of health benefits with intermittent fasting for men as well, especially with your metabolism. Number 8 is the sauna. I use the sauna every 3rd or 2nd day for about 20 minutes. I know this one might sound a little weird too, but it has been a game changer for my focus because I have to literally sit in the room for 20 minutes. So this kind of increases my capacity to focus for longer periods of time without being distracted on my phone or other things. I get it, this one might be a little weird as well, but it has helped me a lot to be able to sit still for a longer period of time. And there are a lot of health benefits for your brain, for your cardiovascular system, and also your skin. So why not? Number 9 is seeking new growth opportunities. Whenever there's an opportunity for growth, I take it. For instance, I recently enrolled in the ICU training program just because I knew it would challenge me and allow me to grow as an individual. And I also took the opportunity to MC my buddy's wedding with over 500 people there. My ADHD brain craves stimulation and craves like novelty, like new experiences. So I just take something that will help me grow as an individual too. And number 10 is a daily goal tracker. So this concept was actually inspired by Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, which is the book right here. So what I ended up doing here is writing down all my goals for 2025 that I want to accomplish by 2026. And I look at those goals every single day in the morning and also at night and just see if I'm progressing towards them. If I don't, then I just adjust my day according to those goals. This really helps me stay focused on those goals and also aligns my behaviors towards those goals as well. So these are the 10 habits I do daily or every other day just to keep my ADHD urges in control and take control for myself. So if you have any creative habits as well that you use to help with your ADHD urges, please put them in the description below because I would love to try something new as well. These are the ones that work for me, and if you like that video, please subscribe to the channel. Also like this video and share it with other individuals that are struggling with their ADHD urges. I hope some of these will be helpful to you, and I hope you send me some too that I can utilize for the future as well. So let's continue to grow together.